All right, so today is October 4th, 2020, and my last video was on September 28th. And if you want access to that video, I'll link it around here above the video or below the video so you can kind of see the past updates that I've posted. So we're about to log into the Clickbank account. It's been quite a few days. If we were to count the 29th, 30th, 31st, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been about a week since I last gave you guys an update. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to log in. Right now it's 2:53 p.m. on a Sunday. I'm just going to go to time and date so you guys can ensure there's no shenanigans. You can see it's 2:53 p.m. Sunday, October 4th, 2020. So let's go ahead. Let's log into the Clickbank account. And 28th happened to be a pretty big day, 223. 29th, 63, 30th, 103, then 39, 59, 129. I mean, we're seeing consistent income day in and day out. We're not seeing like humongous numbers right now, which is completely fine. I don't expect that. But we're seeing really, really consistent numbers, and this is on complete autopilot. So, you know, this will continue to compound. It will continue to grow over time. And I'm just following the methods, straightforward, taught in the program below. All you got to do is click that link below this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. If we were to add up the time period starting from, I think we started on, I want to say the 18th of September, but I'm not exactly 100% sure. But if we add up these numbers, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, roughly 1,700, if I'm counting correctly. It's between $1,600 and $1,700. And if you divide that over the course between like the 22nd and the 6th, today's the 4th, of course, then that's roughly, I believe, right around $100 per day. Let me actually pull out the trusty calculator on the iPhone because I just want to verify these details because you know how fun this is to do when you're just live on camera trying to figure out math. But I'm just going to count from the 22nd to the 4th. Now, I'm pretty sure I think we started this right around the 15th or the 16th, but I'm going to give myself the doubt out of the benefit of the doubt. So less benefit, more doubt. But I'm just going to add up 761 plus 635 plus 355. Yeah, and that's like right around $1,700. And the 22nd to the 30th, that's 8 days plus 5 days. That's 13, right? So if we take 1751 divided by 13 days, we're at about $134 per day. So hopefully I did that math right, but I'm pretty sure that is correct. We went from $120 a day. Now we've grown up to about $134 a day. A lot of these billings that I'm getting here on Clickbank are also monthly recurring. So again, we should see that compound over time. Super exciting. If you want to follow this simple straight line process to start generating income with Clickbank, I want to invite you to click the link below. Do you like these case studies? Do you hate them? Are they redundant? Let me know in the comments. I want to do this to continue to inspire you guys. A lot of you guys see my Clickbank videos. I teach a lot about how to make income on Clickbank. Make sure that you check out my Clickbank playlist. I'll go ahead and post that below in the description as well. And that'll give you some methods that I've also used in conjunction with this specific program to make money, to make income with Clickbank. So hope to continue to inspire you. If you want to know a little bit more information, once again, click the link in the description. If you're here for the first time, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you take that bell icon. I'm doing case study videos like this, showing you guys results. I'm doing tutorial videos, inspirational videos, and really everything in between to help you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So like, comment, subscribe, tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Check out the resources in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video.